If you ever had the experience to search on the Google about temperature of today, well, if you had, you might show something like this, like it's 12 degrees Celsius and it's in that humidity is 52%. Or if you ever see something which is written like 78 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, well, these are the known as temperature. So I'm here today to show you what temperature is, and with the help of Arduino, how we can get the temperature from a sensor. So yes, we're working on the temperature sensor today. So what temperature is? Well, temperature is a state of feeling cold or hot. Like we go to the outside at a sunny day, we feel warm. So that's the temperature. And we eat ice creams and we feel cold. That's also another state of the temperature, and that's cold. So this is the temperature. So now I'll show you with the sensor, which looks like this, known as LM35. And with the help of this sensor, we can read the value of our environment, the temperature, at the serial monitor of the Arduino. So now let's get started how we can work with the temperature sensor of Arduino. Let's see our component list for the temperature sensor project. So we need an Arduino. This is the temperature sensor known as LM35. It has 3 legs. We also need a breadboard, and yes, some wires for connecting the temperature sensor to the breadboard. And yes, for uploading the code, we need the Arduino cable. So the connection of LM35 temperature sensor is pretty straightforward. You just take the temperature sensor written LM35 on your front way. So at this, the rightmost will be the VCC that goes to the 5 volt, and the leftmost should go to the ground, and it's blue one here, and the middle pin, it's for the output. It will show us, and we will connect that to the analog pin of A0 to A5. So that's it. Now let's go to our code section and get some values from the temperature sensor. So this is our temperature sensor code. At line number 1, we just take a variable known as temp, and as we are connected our middle pin to the A0 of the Arduino, so we just declare it to the 0 number pin. And at the void loop, we declare that yes, our temp pin, that means pin number 0, will be there for reading the value from analog read. And then that's why we declared here. And one thing you should know, that the LM35 it's convert the analog voltage into the temperature equivalent. That's why this equation comes. The temperature or the reading we get from the LM35 sensor, it should be multiplied with 0.488 something, and that gives us a value of temperature. So that's all. Now let's upload the code and see what we get in the serial monitor. So we done our uploading, and if we check the serial monitor, we can see that yes, we got some values of the temperature in degrees Celsius. You see, it's 47, now it's 0 and 32. So if you take something hot or warm, something in the near of that sensor, it will change the value. This is how the temperature sensor works. I hope you will do some projects with the temperature sensor, and your task is for the temperature sensor. You can you turn on an LED or give some alert if the temperature rise above 100 degrees Celsius or something like that.